Hey, it's Kate from Coastal Drone, and here are 3 things you should know before giving or getting a drone for Christmas. The first thing you should know is, do you need a certificate? So the way that the rules work is that if you fly drones between 250 grams and 25 kilograms, you're going to require either a basic or an advanced certificate in order to fly legally in Canada. So if you're going to be flying something like the Mavic 2 here, you'll need a certificate. It's definitely between 250 grams and 25 kilograms. Something little like the Tello or DJI's new Mavic Mini doesn't require basics or advanced certification for you to be able to fly. Number 2, where can you fly? If you want to fly in controlled airspace or closer than 100 feet to people, you're going to need an advanced certification. If you don't need to do those things, then a basic will do just fine. And number 3 is, how easy is it to get certified? And it's honestly pretty straightforward. Transport Canada has done a really good job of making the exams accessible and online. So to get a basic certificate, you need to pass the online test. To get an advanced certificate, you need to pass an online advanced test and do an in-person flight review. You can get information on how to do all of that on our website at coastaldrone.co.